In a coastal town, a local librarian launched a repair passport encouraging residents to mend items rather than replace them, sparking curiosity. Each repaired item earned stamps, linking to free evening classes on sewing, soldering, and upcycling with patient community mentors. The scheme reduced landfill input by 40% in a year and inspired local schools to host vibrant trash-to-treasure fairs and repair days. A neighbor turned discarded sailcloth into tote bags, while restaurants composted peels into nutrient-rich soil for a school garden. The movement spread to neighboring towns, proving zero waste is a cooperative art form built from small, repeatable acts that multiply when shared.